Today I'm going to talk about the fungi, the plant pathogen. What is a fungi? Fungi mostly are eukaryotic, spore-bearing, achlorophyllous organism, and they reproduce sexually and asexually and use filamentous, branched, somatic structures and are typically surrounded by cell wall containing chitin, cellulose, or both of these substances with many other complex carbohydrates. This definition was given by Alexopoulos and Wims. If you see that it is a very that organism is eukaryotic basically, and if you see that these fungi are ubiquitous, present everywhere, and you can see that it is present everywhere, aquatic, terrestrial, and in all the place. And this is a fungus spore. You can see here the spore bearing. It is a spore, macrospore, and macrospore of fusarium. And you can see here, and here this is a body of fungi. You can see this hyphae and the mycelium. And this is a yeast spore of fungi. And as already said, fungi are eukaryotic protists and chlorophyllous nucleate. It branched unicellular, or it may be unicellular or cellular or multicellular organism. It may reproduce by division of vegetative cells, well-defined asexual and sexual spores. The body of the fungi is called thallus. The whole body we call them as thallus. And if you see that general characteristics, most are eukaryotic. What do you mean by eukaryotic? It has a true nucleus. The nucleus is surrounded by a membrane, and you can see that range of membrane-bound cytoplasmic organelles like mitochondria, vacuoles, and endoplasmic reticulum. And most of them are filamentous. It's branched, and microscopic filaments, and we call them as a hyphae, which exhibit the apical growth, which branch to form a network of hyphae called the mycelium. A network of mycelium. Earlier, I have shown the pictures of mycelium. And some of them are unicellular yeast. And and some fungi has a cellulose. For example, Oomycetes are fungi. And many of the reproduction is sexual or asexual. And the nuclei are typically haploid, and the hyphal compartments are often multinucleate. Although some of Oomycota, they possess a diploid nuclei, and the cell wall of Oomycota fungi also is made up of cellulose. And mostly are achlorophyllous, and they lack chlorophyll pigments. If you see that nuclear behavior, also most of utilize pre-existing organic sources of hard carbon in the fragment and the energy from the chemical reaction to synthesize organic compounds. So many of them are hemo-organotrophic, and it possesses wide range of storage compounds, tractose, glycogen, and sugar alcohol and lipids. It's a storage material. It can survive sometime in the form of spores, hard spores, and so on, and maybe free living or many intimate relationship with other organisms, okay, maybe of parasitic or mutualistic. And this is a typical fungal cell structures. This cell wall is made up of chitin, and you can see this mitochondria inside it, and rough endoplasmic reticulum, the nucleus, and apparatus, cell membrane, cell wall, and this is a growing tips, hyphae, and you can see this vacuoles, and this all the nucleus and Golgi apparatus. And as I said, it is most of the parasites mycelium to be the epitomes of the host, and it will insert this absorbing organ or anchoring organ that we call them as a haustoria. And a haustorium, you can see that it draws the nutrients from the plant cell. Thank you.